is glyphosate is sprayed on wheat twice. It's sprayed as a weed killer during the planting, and then it's sprayed at the end of the growing season as a desiccant to dry it out and get it into production faster. Monsanto, who's the manufacturer of Roundup, which has glyphosate in it, says it dissipates, but it doesn't. So the way it works, it's sprayed initially, as I said, to kill the weeds. Well, it penetrates the soil, and the worms leave. And without the worms, we don't have nutrients in the soil. We don't have nutrients in our food. And then the glyphosate, of course, is drawn up by the roots. So it's in the crop as it's developing. And it destroys the vitamins and the minerals and the amino acids and the natural omega oils, which is why we eat crops, any crop. It's not just wheat, it could be any crop it's sprayed on. And it destroys something called the shikimate pathway, which you've probably never heard of. And that's a communication pathway in the crops to give instructions like make more vitamin C, and we need to start making leaves now and all that stuff. So Monsanto, who is the manufacturer of Roundup with glyphosate in it, said humans don't have a shikimate pathway, so it's not harmful for them. And I'm sure most of you in this room know that we have good bacteria in and on our bodies. We couldn't survive without them. The ratio is about 9 times more bacteria cells than human cells. Even though we can't see them or feel them, they're there. About 54% of those good essential bacteria are in our gut. And lower down in our gut is a heavier concentration. Those bacteria have a shikimate pathway. So now think gut problems, think leaky gut. Glyphosate is more directly responsible for leaky gut than anything else. And if you don't know what leaky gut is, the gut junctions, the cell junctions in our gut are connected by a mesh. So it's a mesh that keeps the bad stuff out and the good stuff in. So now with leaky gut, the bad stuff's getting in and the good stuff's getting out. And that contributes to brain fog and unwanted weight gain, all sorts of things. And glyphosate destroys the GLP-1 hormone in our gut. We've heard a lot about that with the skinny jabs, Ozempic, Mounjaro, Wegovy, all those. So glyphosate's directly responsible for harming that GLP-1, and now people are taking synthetic injectables to try to repair that GLP-1. Well, actually just bypasses it and causes more and more problems. So I could go on and on and on and on about this topic, but just consider some of the things that I've said here and know that there are means to correct those issues that